ATD Tools 3-shelf parts cart is made for easy storage. The cart has 3 adjustable shelves and support arms that are made for mobile part storage. It has 6 S-hooks that hang along the cart as well. The bottom and middle shelf have a weight capacity of 99 pounds and the top shelf has a capacity of 66 pounds. It comes with 4 swivel casters made out of polyurethane, 2 of which can lock. When assembled, the cart has the dimensions of 74.8 by 41.7 by 30.7 inches. For more information on this product, or to see the full line of ATD products, please visit atdtools.com.